Mrs. Chipo Reza, the wife of Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZACC Chairperson Michael Reza, has died after collapsing at her home on Sunday afternoon. She was 63. Sarabina Mashkomdani Kwachinzi ZACC Chairperson Michael Reza's wife, Chipo Reza, dies after collapsing at home. The voice subscribe like on the bell icon. Tip now. Mrs. Reza was rushed to Borodale Trauma Center after the sudden medical emergency, but was pronounced dead on arrival. The death was confirmed by family spokesperson Mr. Owen Reza, a brother to Mr. Michael Reza. In court, Mr. Chipo, 63, collapsed at home on Sunday afternoon and was rushed to Borodale Trauma Center where she was pronounced dead on arrival, she said. She is survived by her husband, Mr. Reza, 4 children and 11 grandchildren. Mrs. Reza's passing comes as her husband, Michael Reza, continues to serve as chairperson of the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission after previously spending several years as one of the country's most prominent prosecutors, handling a number of high-profile and politically sensitive criminal cases that attracted significant public attention. She previously served as chairwoman of the Rwazana Women Fellowship and remained an active member of both the 11 a.m. Stewart and Southtown Fellowship, earning respect for her commitment to church ministry and community service. Mourners have begun gathering at the Reza family residence in Glenlom, Harare, to pay their respects. The family said funeral arrangements are still being finalized and will be announced in due course. Mrs. Reza is survived by her husband, 4 children, 11 grandchildren. Toma developments are good panguwa ino are shocking. Panguwa ino yachinuka kunzi the ZACC chairperson Michael Reza's wife panguwa ino otisiya after collapsing on Sunday. Toma developments are hoping to shemedu zafungura any more kudipa msoro pechitko ichi. Musoma subscribe or like, want you to turn the bell icon.